we've left the main wordings on for each part of these videos, added a little extra here and there. As you'll notice in the bottom, we're going to be dealing with the natural, because it's very connected to this, because many people are very deceived. They even do actual tours based on the concept of natural person, claiming that they didn't have to pay tax. And again, if you don't understand eminent domain over the thing you're using, they can change the rules at any time under eminent domain, whether you like it or not, because it's not your title. So therefore, if the legal surname title doesn't belong to you, which identifies you as a participating member, committing suicide from denying the Messiah, then you're in a very, very precarious situation that you better understand how the rules work under the rule of law. And so what is going on right now in our society and with enforcement is based on rule of law for those who are claiming a title that they don't have any absolute right to. When we deal with the term natural, we know the term natural person comes up. What does that really mean? And that's why we're going to read the definition. Done this in I don't know how far back the video was, but certainly a while back. So we're going to bring it as a summary again into this, because it does fit into this, because if you don't understand the difference of what truly is natural and what is in the sense natural in the legal, you're going to be very confused. So natural, defined in Black's Law 4th edition, it says the juristic meaning of this term does not differ from the vernacular, the spoken, except in cases where it is used in opposition to the term legal. So it's giving you the understanding that there is a meaning of it that is in opposition to legal. As we've broken up the name, your God-given Christian name or your real name, okay, is not legal. It is natural, because it comes from a natural source, your parents, not from the concept of a legal state assigning it for those who become members or think they're members and assume to be members. So then again, we'll read it again one more time. The juristic meaning of this term does not differ from the vernacular, except in the cases where it is used in opposition to the term legal. And then it means proceeding from or determined by physical causes or conditions, as distinguished, that means different from, positive enactments of law, that's positive law, that's man's law, or attributable to the nature of man rather than to the commands of law, or based upon moral rather than legal considerations or sanctions. So they're truly giving you the understanding of what it is. So when I say, in the legal sense, I'm a natural person, what you're really saying is you have consented to place your God-given Christian natural name that was paid for with no debt on it based on the event of Christ's birth and death, and you choose to enter into a legal arrangement that operates on a debtor system, of which says you can pay for your own sins under working out your own salvation, then you are really a consenting, natural, given the opportunity to be free from God, and you've now consented to take on legal surnamed debtor position, and therefore that is what they define as a natural person. It's a natural, legally surnamed debtor that operates in their society in the denial of Christ.